Good morning everyone. Today also a new day. Now today we are going to learn a new lesson, fraction. Actually this is not a new lesson, no. Last day we discussed about this, no, fractions. Now today, last day we discussed about how to addition and subtraction of fractions. Today I have to learn how to multiply and division of fractions. This is very important one, right? This is very important one, right? Then let's remind what I teach you last day. Here when two fractions are there, for example 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4, here two fractions are there. Both of them denominator is equal, the 4 is the common denominator, then 4, then add 3 plus 1, add 4, 3 plus 1, 4 upon 4, then 4 upon 4, 4 divided by 4, 1, right? When here another one, 5 upon 7 minus 1 upon 7, when subtraction equal, no, denominator is equal, then common one is 7, then 5 minus 1, 4 upon 7. This is the answer. When addition and subtraction, denominator must be equal. Remember that? To addition and subtraction, denominators must be equal. If not equal, we should equalize, no? For example, 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 2. Here not equal, then 2 equal 8 multiplied by 4, no? Then 1 upon 8 plus 4 upon 8. Here now equal. The common one is 8. 5. Here, remember? Right. Then to multiplication and division, denominators not equal. Right. Here, for example, look, 2 upon 4. Right. 2 upon 4 multiplied by 1 upon 7. Two fractions are there, multiplication, denominators not equal. Therefore, no matter if unequal. But in addition and subtraction, denominators must be equal. But multiplication or division, denominators no matter different. Right? If different. Right, okay. Now first, now multiplication, you should know multiplication of today, multiplication of decimals, right. Now, you know, 3 upon 4 is a fraction. This 3 upon 4 should multiply by 16. You know 16 is a whole number. Right, now 15, another example, 15 should divide by 3 upon 5. Here, another example, 2, 5 upon 7. Here, 3 examples are there. Here, first example you can see 3 upon 4 is a fraction, 16 is a whole number. Right, then you should know the multiplication table. Right, here you have to chance to simplify here this, like this, to multiply this angle, right? Only this. Right, when you check this 16 and 4, two numbers are there, 4 and 16. Two numbers are there, 4 and 16. Tell me, 4 and 16, what is the multiply of 4 and 16? 4, this is the multiply of 4, no? 16, the multiply of 4, no? Then 4 and 16, both one divided by, both one divided by 4, no? And also 2. 4 can divide by 2, 16 also divide by 2. But 4 can divide by 4, 16 divide by 4. The larger one is 4. Therefore, both one can divide by 4 because multiply of 4, 4, 8, 12, write that. 16, 4, 8, 12, 16. Right, multiplies of 4. Then 4 divided by 4. We can divide by 4 both of them. When 4 divided by 4, 1. And right here 1. Then 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4, 4. And don't write here 4. Here 16 divided by 4, 4. Right. Now you can see two numbers are there in numerator, 3 and 4. Now you can multiply this 2 into 4, 12 upon 1. Denominator is 1. Now 1 is, answer is 12. Right here, whole number and fraction. Then 15 and 5, you can simplify this. 15 and 5, what's the relation between 5 and 15? Both are multiplies of 5, no? Both are multiplies of 5. Then both of them divide by 5. Then 5 divided by 5, 1. 15 divided by 5, 3. Now numerators 3 into 3, 9. Here 1. Then answer is 9. Right? Then here 2 into 5 upon 7. Whole number and fraction are there. Then 2 and 7. What's the relation between 2 and 7? No relation. Therefore 2 and 7 can't simplify. When multiplication of 2, no. 2, 4, 8, no. When multiplication of 7, 7, 14. No relation. When like this, you should multiply numerator. 2 into 5, 10 upon 7. This is the answer. 2 upon 10 upon 7. Understand? Well, like this. Another one. 5 upon 7 multiplied by 1 upon 5. Here, now two fractions are there. Two fractions multiply. But here, denominator not equal, no matter if unequal. Right here, now you have a chance when two fractions are there, like this. When cross, to simplify like this cross. Right, then 1 and 7, what is the relation 1 and 7? No relation. Then 5 and 5, both 1 are divided by 5. When 5 divided by 5, 1, 5 divided by 5, 1. Now you can see numerators are two numbers. Now 1 into 1, 1. Denominators two numbers, 7 into 1, 7. 1 upon 7. This is the answer. Another one, another example. 15 upon 20 multiplied by 4 upon 5. Here, two fractions are there. Can you see this? Right here, now cross 4 and 20. Is there a relation 4 and 20? Yes, both of them are divided by 4. Then 4 divided by 4, 1, 20 divided by 4, 5, no? The multiplication table. Then 5 and 15. Now next 5 and 15. What is the relation 5 and 15? Both one are divisible by 5, no? Divide by 5. Then 5 divided by 5, 1. 15 divided by 5, 3. Now 3 into 1, 3. 5 into 1, 5. Understand? Understand? Right. Another one. 2 upon 9 multiply 7 upon 4. Here two fractions are there to multiply. Right, now cross. Then 4 and 9. What's the relation 4 and 9? No relation. Then 2 and 7. Is there a relation? No relation. Then no relation both of them. Then 2 into 4, 8. 9 into 7, 63. 8 upon 63. Right, understand? Right, okay. Then another example. Another one. 3 upon 5 multiply 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5. Here, fraction and mixed number. Last day I taught you 3 upon 5. This mixed number should convert to the improper fraction. The denominator is 5. Then 5. Then when simplify 5 into 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 upon 5. Right? Now here, now cross multiplication. Right. Here, when 6 and 5 is there relation? No. 3 and 5, no relation. Then 3 into 6, 18. 5 into 5, 25. 18 upon 25. Understand? Last one. Answer. Final answer. Right, another one. 1 3 upon 6 multiply to 3 upon 5. Here two mixed numbers are there. Then let's convert into the improper fraction. Denominator is 6. Then 6 into 1 6 plus 3 9. Multiply 5, denominator is 5 into 2 10 plus 3 13. Now let's check whether right 16 and 13 no relation, 9 and 5 no relation. Then 9 into 13, 9 into 3 27, 2 remain, 9 into 1 9 plus 2 11. Then 16 to 5 30. This is improper fraction. No, when improper fraction you have to convert mixed number. 30, when 117 divided by 30, 90 no, 3 and remain 27. No, answer. Right, okay. Right now, when three fractions are there, for example, when three fractions are there, 5 upon 7 multiply 3 upon 10 multiply 15 upon 12, here 80. When three fractions are there, no matter. You can take 2 by t here, first 2. When simplify first 2, 3 and 7 no relation. 5 and 10 yes relation. Multiply so 5. Then 5 divided by 5 1. 10 divided by 5 2. Then 1 into 3 3. 7 into 2 14. Multiply by here 15 upon 18. Right. Now here 14 and 15 no relation. 3 and 18 yes, multiply so 3. 3 divided by 3 1. 18 divided by 3 6. Now you can multiply numerator 1 into 15 15. 6 into 14 6 into 4 24. 2 remains. 6 into 1 6 84. 15 upon 84. Understand? Right. Then I think you can understand very well. Right. Then here this is how we multiply. Right. Now can you complete this homework? Okay. Copy down this. You should complete this at home. Homework. Multiply. Right. Here first done. Then second one, 5 upon 9 multiply by 12. Third one, 15 multiply 3 upon 5. Fourth one, 3 upon 7 multiplied by 1 upon 9. Right. Fifth one, 2 upon 11 multiplied by 22 upon 26. Sixth one, 1 upon 3 multiplied by 2 upon 5. Sixth one. Right. Seventh one, 1 upon 7 multiplied by 3, 1 upon 5 multiply 3 upon 5. 3 fractions are there. Right, can you complete this at home? Right, okay. Copy down. Right, okay. Then here, now here look, now division of fractions. Now you have to learn division of fractions. Division of fractions. Right here, very important one. Before learning this, you have to learn the reciprocal. New word, reciprocal. Reciprocal. Can you see this? Reciprocal. Here, now 3 upon 4. Here few fractions are there. 3 upon 4, 5 upon 9, 6, 1 upon 7, 1/3, 1 upon 3, 2, 2 upon 5. Few fractions are there. Right, we should find the reciprocal of this. Here 3 upon 4. Reciprocal means the upside down. Here change this. This is the numerator. This is numerator. We know this is numerator. This is denominator. Upside down. Now numerator goes denominator. 3. Denominator value goes numerator. 4. 4 upon 3. Change, no? Upside down. Reciprocal. Here change. Right, here numerator 5, denominator 9. Now upside down. Denominator 5, numerator 9. Here 9 upon 5. Understand? Here you can see if 6 are there, denominator is 1. They have not written, but we should know denominator is 1. When reciprocal, 1 upon 6. Here when change this, 7 upon 1. Here now you can see. But here remember this is mixed number. First of all you should convert into the improper fraction. Then 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 upon 3. When 4 upon 3 reciprocal, 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4. Right, here this also mixed number. Then denominator 5. 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 upon 5. When reciprocal, 5 upon 12. Understand? 5 upon 12. This is how we reciprocal. Right? Upside down. Right? Numerator and denominator change. Right? Understand? Right? Using this, we can divide. Using this, we can divide. Right? For example, they have given 3 upon 4 divide by 9. See? Not multiply. This is fraction. This is whole number. Divide. Right. When divide are there, the first one is not changed. 3 upon 4. When divide are there, when division are there, next one you can multiply. You can write the converse of division is multiplication. No, I told you last day the converse of division is multiplication. The converse one. Then division, multiplication. When multiplication, this 9 reciprocal. Then what's the reciprocal of 9? I told you denominator is 1 there. When change this, 1 upon 9. 1 upon 9. 1 upon 9. Right? Now 2 fractions are there. Here, see. Now 2 fractions are there. Now you can check. 1 and 4, no relation. 3 and 9, yes, relation. 3 divided by 3, 1. 9 divided by 3, 3. Then 1 into 1, 1. 4 into 3, 12. Understand? Right, another one. 16 divided by 4 upon 7. Here. Now, I told you first one no change, 16, same, 16. But division of the converse of division is multiplication. Now your right hand side reciprocal, 4 upon 7, reciprocal of 4 upon 7, 7 upon 4. 7 upon 4, reciprocal of this. Right here, reciprocal. Now simplify. 4 and 16, the relation multiplies of 4. When 4 divided by 4, 1. 16 divided by 4, 4. Then 4 into 7, 28, divide by 1, then answer is 28. Understand? Answer is 20. Can you see the board? Right. Okay. Then another one. 5 upon 9 divide by 12 upon 15. Two fractions divide. Now first fraction not change. 5 upon 9. Here when division, the reciprocal, the converse of division multiplication, then this fraction converse reciprocal. 12 upon 15, 15 upon 12. Right. Now two fractions are there. Here denominator not equal, no matter. Right. Not equalize. The some students I have seen equalize, not equalize. Right. 9 and 15 both of them are divided by 3. Then 9 divided by 3, 3. 15 divided by 3, 5. Then 5 and 12, no relation. Then 5 into 5, 25. 12 into 3, 36. 25 upon 36. Understand? I think you will understand this. Right. Okay, another one. 1, 2 upon 3 divide by 2 upon 3. Okay. Mixed number and fraction divide. Then here this mixed number convert into the improper fraction. Divide by 3, denominator 3. 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 upon 3. Here division can multiplication. Then this one reciprocal. 3 upon 2. Right? Then 3 and 3 relation. 3 divided by 3, 1. 3 divided by 3, 1. 5 into 1, 5. 2 into 1, 2. Here this is improper fraction. When improper fraction convert into the mixed number 2. 5 divided by 2, 2 and 1. Understand this? Right. Right. Another one. Another last one. Last one here. When 3 upon 5 multiply by 2 upon 6 divide by 1 upon 1, 3. Here. Now 3 fractions are. First 2 is multiplication. Other one is division. Right here. Now first 2. You can simplify first 2. Here 2 and 5 is a relation. No. Then 3 and 6, yes. 3 divided by 1. Here 6 divided by 3, 2. Then 1 into 2, 2. 5 into 2, 10. Right. Divide by, here you can see this is mixed number. 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Two fractions now division. 2 divided by 10. Here division, multiplication 3 upon 4. Right. 3 and 10 no relation, but 2 and 4. 2, 1, 4, 2. 3 into 1, 3. 10 into 2, 20. 3 into 20. Right. Can you see the board? Three upon 20. The answer is 3 upon 20. Understand? 3 upon 20. Okay. I think you understand and do this homework. Do this homework. Divide by 5 upon 9 divided by 3. Second one, 16 divided by 3 upon 5. Third one, 3 upon 5 divide by 5 upon 3. Here two fractions. Right? Fourth one, 1 upon 3 divide by 2, 1 upon 5. Fifth one, 3 upon 4 divide by 1, 1 upon 3. Here. Can you see? Right, okay. Then here, today we discuss how to multiply and division of fractions. Last day we talked about how to add and subtraction of fractions. Now use this theory and try to understand and do this exercise. Now let's meet next day. Till then, see you all of you. Right, I go on.